All right, so the answer to number 19 then was 2,000 because we got the paycheck, deposited $2,000, and then checked the balance. The last problem was actually kind of a trick problem. So you read this quickly and you think person's a new person, bank account's a bank account, person gets a paycheck, that's plus $2,000. They go to Rams, that's minus $12. We check the balance, and it's $1,988 is the answer, right? Turns out that's wrong. And so the reason that's wrong is because I threw a little trick in here. And I'm not going to be tricky like this on the midterm, but I thought this would make for a good discussion. And I would encourage you to try running this code in your runner and play around with it to get a sense of why this is happening. But the key thing that's happening here is we're saying bank account is a new bank account. It refers to a very different bank account than person's bank account. So person, Chris, has its own bank account instance that was constructed. Let's see, let me hop over to it. When we went to construct me, the person, I got a new bank account, and that's what lives in my instance variable account. But now we're saying that BA is a new bank account as well. So it has its own individual balance, and we're not changing BA anywhere because this is a completely separate bank account than the one that the person has. So when we go and we check BA's bank account, the result is actually still going to be 0. And if we contrast this with this line here, where the bank account was assigned the person's bank account by asking the person, hey, give me your bank account, and then storing a reference to it in a local variable. Now when we change the person's bank account, this BA refers to the same one. And so this is kind of to drive home the point that when you construct a new instance, you're actually setting up a different set of variables, of instance variables, its own instance variables, where its balance is 0, even though the person's balance actually would correctly be 1988. If we had instead written here, p dot get account, just like we had on the previous slides, then the correct answer would have been C.